Have you been to Daiso? Perhaps you have walked straight past thinking,
Nope, 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 nope.
hell no, that is a clutter magnet. And although not everything in the store should come home with you, there are some amazing treasures to be found inside. So if you are looking for some well-priced cleaning and organizing products, I'm gonna hit you with some of my favorites. If you have never been into a Daiso store before, they are a Japanese variety store. So here in Australia, most things cost $3.10. So there are some items that are slightly higher priced and they are all labeled as such, but most items are $3.10. I absolutely love everything Japanese. My favorite movie is Totoro, and so just being in the store itself is quite the experience for me. I love it so much, and I could probably make 100 videos about different types of products I love at Daiso and why. But some of my absolute favorites, no surprise to you guys, is the cleaning and organizing products. I'm gonna start with probably my number one, and that is these little magic erasers. Now, they are 3 centimeters by 3 centimeters. They are amazing. I mean, can we just talk about how magic erasers even work? They are just like magical cleaning dust. I don't know how they work. It seems like magic to me, but these are an amazing deal. And these are some of the best quality ones that I have seen around. So here in Australia, we do not have a Dollar Tree or a Poundland or any sort of dollar store. So Daiso is about as close as we get. But you guys might be able to find similar items at a lower price in those sorts of stores. My next favorite is laundry bags. So these are like delicate bags that you put in your washing machine to keep things safe or to keep your bras from making everything else unsafe. So if you have not tried these, they are amazing. I wash so many things, lunch boxes, shoes, you name it, I put it in my washing machine. And the laundry bags that they have at Daiso are how I keep everything safe. They are such a good price. I picked up this super cute Winnie the Pooh one. They have them in all shapes and sizes. There are so many to choose from. If you haven't tried a laundry bag, it's a game changer. This is a Daiso tension rod, and they have them in all different shapes and sizes. Basically, you just twist them to the size that you need, and then you can use them in your cupboards. So what you can do is you can pop them inside your cupboards, particularly if you have cupboards like mine that are quite narrow and deep. And this is a great way to get some extra storage, either by stacking things higher or storing things at the top so that you're not losing all of that wasted space. Guys, I'm gonna be honest, I am a bit of a squeegee aficionado, and let me tell you, not all squeegees are created equal. So I think the squeegee is one of the best cleaning tools that you can use. I think whether it is glass, mirrors, or floors, your squeegee is an amazing tool to have. And not all of them work the same. If you do not have a really good contact on the window or the floor, they just won't work properly. But these ones are some of my favorite from Daiso. I particularly like this one where you can turn the head, because then it stores really easily if you are like me and keep one in the shower. Another one of my favorite products, particularly if you are a minimalist like me or you just enjoy that minimalist aesthetic, is their drying mats. These are such a great alternative to a drying rack. You can pop your dishes on there, and once you have finished drying your dishes, you can just hang up the drying mat to dry. This makes it a lot less cumbersome than a lot of the dish racks that are available. At $3.10, these are a great deal. If you are like me and are trying to move away from plastic containers, I have been replacing a lot of my containers with these from Daiso. They are stainless steel. They do still have a plastic lid, but they are so great. If you are sending kids with stuff for lunch, these make a great option. Daiso have so many different kinds of eco-friendly storage products. So whether it is stainless steel or glass, they have every option available, and at $3.10 I have seen these go for $10 or more, and they have all different shapes and sizes. So if you are looking to move away from plastic, you can consider replacing them with these. Another one of my absolute favorite products are these drawer dividers. So I am a professional organizer and I go into lots of people's home, and to be honest, most of the time we can organize their spaces using things they already have. But these storage dividers make a great way to utilize drawers that you already have. You can cut these to all different sizes. You can use them in your bedroom for clothing or in your kitchen for kitchen cloths. They are a great way of segmenting off your drawers without having to buy like 20 different size storage bins. These are a great option, and at $3.10 I can guarantee you this will work out cheaper than a storage container any day of the week. Okay, I have saved the best for last. These are compressed facial masks, and if you have little people in your life that love to relax with a face mask, or maybe you do too, these are an unbelievable price. And I know you're like, Sarah, what does this have to do with minimalism or cleaning? Well, let me tell you, one of the most common things that I know people have way too much of, and I don't know how it happens, but is different lotions and moisturizers. So in these packs come with 35 facial masks, and you just rehydrate them using your favorite lotion, rose water, mineral water, whatever beauty products you have lying around that you want to use up. You can use them with these masks. They're also a great way if you are really conscious about what you're putting on your skin. You will know exactly what is in that face mask. I don't know about where you are, but here in Australia, most face masks go for $3 or more on their own for one single mask. So this pack of 35 masks, using up those lotions and spritzes that you already have, these work out so economical. They're a great way of knowing exactly what you're putting on your skin, of using up that stuff and decluttering your bathroom cupboards, while also being able to pamper yourself at a fraction of the cost. If you love Daiso as much as I do, make sure that you like this video.